Hello everyone, welcome to Added Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade review of what happened today and the trade analysis for Friday, 29th October. Today was a good day. Let me just show you how we traded today. I've opened the 15 minutes Banknifty chart. See, I had a view yesterday that wherever we open, right, we could take resistance at the CPR and then dip. Okay, that was one of the possibilities that we had planned. I'm just going to play a small clip from yesterday's analysis, 28th October. For expiry, I had made this analysis video. Let me just play that clip. What's the CPR or the pivot? Probably even until this TC line, CPR, and then get a quick move on the downside until the previous day low and S1 of CPR. And if S1 breaks, then we might even hit this level of 40,500 and probably even fill this gap. There is a little bit of gap left here which could get filled tomorrow if we get a down move. So as you can see, this was one of the possibilities that we had if in case we get a reversal from the CPR today. The CPR pivot point, we will go short, and the opening itself came exactly at the CPR. So once this candle was formed, right, I was pretty sure that we might dip because we have already touched the CPR and took an entry when S1 shorted. Obviously we had a good day, but we didn't sit for the entire move. If anybody had even bought one lot here or 5 lot, whatever, and sat for the entire move, also would have been good. But we did, I kind of did a scalping. I shorted here, took profits at S2, then again shorted at S2, took profits at S3, then in between had a loss little bit, then again shorted when we came close to S2 and this gap resistance level, and then traded on the downside. And obviously I booked all my profits at S3. I didn't expect it to come until this level, but it did. So that's how market does. We can't always catch everything that is there in the market. So we had a pretty good day. All my trades are posted on Instagram and YouTube. You can have a check. And now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow in Banknifty. See, tomorrow we have a white CPR. Okay. So there is a possibility we will remain sideways wherever we open, gap up or gap down, either between this CPR range or between this previous day low and between the CPR. We could remain sideways. I don't see a big reversal coming as of tomorrow itself. Probably next week we can see some reversal if it comes, but tomorrow will be a sideways for sure because of white CPR based on my personal view. And for some reason, if we break this support, right, this is a very strong support. Even today we reversed from here, that is 39,343. See how many times we have taken support here based on previous price action, and here we have taken resistance. So if we break this, there is no support until this level, 38,917. So it's almost like 500 points dip is possible if we break this previous day low and this level what I've marked. See, even in the price action there is no support. There's one small support here, but I think that will get taken out. So S1 is a good target, and in case we break that, yeah, the next will be this S2 of CPR, or we have some price action support here. I'll mark a line. See, at the max, what might happen tomorrow, like what I'm prepared for is, wherever we open, we might take resistance either of the CPR level. Let me just get rid of this. See, however we open, my possibilities are we might take resistance at the CPR, have a quick dip, or we might have a gap down, take resistance of this previous day low and then dip. In case we go up, we might retrace until 40,300 and then remain sideways because there's some resistance here. So wherever we'll probably only in the opening we'll just get one quick move, and after that we will remain sideways. So not looking for trading in option buying tomorrow because of the white CPR. So that is for Banknifty. I also want to show this chart which I've been using day on day in my analysis. That is the weekly CPR and the monthly CPR. See what you see, these lines, right? The purple lines like TC, BC, R1, all writings, that is the daily CPR. This is plotted for tomorrow. And all these other lines are weekly and monthly CPR. This orange, purple and orange is the weekly CPR. Green is the R1, R2 of weekly. And red is the S1 of weekly CPR. Okay, so I was suggesting that we are way far away from this weekly CPR, so there is a touch of this weekly CPR is possible. So we did touch, so this is where I booked a lot of my profit, all my profits, because we did touch exactly at the pivot, went up, took support at S2, and then even broke weekly CPR. So since we have broken weekly CPR today, tomorrow also we could dip a little, but the dip might be short and choppy because of white CPR. It might be sideways, and there's a very good support at this on CPR, that is this level, that is 39,276, and this is the S1 of CPR. Since tomorrow is the last day of the week, right? So there is a possibility we might hit this level, 38,770. Even on this chart we have pretty much the same, that is around 38,900. So there is a possibility we might hit this CPR another 200 points from this daily S1. But I don't think tomorrow would be the best day to buy options because of white CPR, and today was a really good day to buy options. And just wanted to show you another beauty of CPR. See, wherever the reversal point came, right, it came at a CPR level. We started dipping, we kind of took support at this S2, broke. We exactly reversed from weekly CPR. See the purple line, we exactly reversed from there. Again took resistance at S2, dipped. Only over here kind of took resistance, and then again dipped all the way. So that's why using CPR is really good. Now coming to the Nifty, there's no point looking at the option data today. Probably we'll have a check on it tomorrow for next week. Now coming to the Nifty, let me just turn on the CPR. See, even Nifty, the moment this previous day low and S1 broke, right, it was a very good short trade, kind of broke all levels, and this is one level that we had marked earlier because of the price action. See, exactly we came and took support here, that is where we had support previously based on the price, and that is 17,830. See, breaking 18,000 on Nifty today was looking difficult, but it did break and we got a pretty good move. And now coming for the trade for tomorrow in Nifty, just want to hide this CPR and show another part. See, there is some gap left over here. You see this gap, what I'm marking right now, which the gap that happened on 7th October. So in case we break this, right, 17,770, a short fall will come until 17,662. This gap could be filled based on my view. Now I'll just turn on the CPR again. See that again in Nifty also we have a white CPR, so we could remain choppy. Like when I say choppy, it could be between this S1 and previous day low. We could move like this, or within the CPR. In case we get a gap up, it could also be between the CPR and R1 or any of this resistance line. So this is my analysis for Nifty and Banknifty. Today was a good day. Let's see how the trade goes tomorrow. In case you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thank you.